2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.